Good morning, everybody. This is Shima Walker with the NCWorks Career Center here in New Bern, here to give you the weekly update. So how you doing this beautiful morning? I know I'm looking. I see a lot of great opportunities just in store for you, especially if you're in the Craven, Jones, and Pamlico area. So, I always like to give you a list of the different job opportunities that are available. So let's start off with our weekly job board. Here's just a very small list of the different career opportunities available for you. Now again, this is a very small list, so if you want more information or more detail, I encourage you to log into your NCWorks account, www.ncworks.gov, or you can also download the app on your iPhone or your Android device, and you can still be able to look at that particular job, find out what you need to do to apply, and so you can go ahead and get connected to that next career opportunity. Now, there are some employers I want to go ahead and highlight that definitely have a need, okay? So if you're in need of a job, then guess what? I need to connect you to. First of all, we got Sonic. Sonic here in New Bern has like 20 different positions, from crew member to assistant manager. So if that's you, if you're 16 years and older, you're looking for a part-time job with flexible hours, then you want to go ahead and give Sonic a call. You can apply online, and here's the link. You have Sarah's Big Apple, that's right there in Bridgeton. They're looking for a nighttime pizza delivery driver. They also got several other positions. So let's go ahead and support our small business. Now, each week, we try to do a different hiring event, okay? And tomorrow, guess what? We got BSH on-site hiring event. So they're going to actually have a hiring event right there at BSH. You need to follow the directional signs. And they're doing it from 10 to 2. Now, what makes this hiring event different? They're actually going to do interviews and offer job offers on the spot. So I encourage you, first of all, come dressed to impress, okay? Have a resume ready and be prepared for an interview, okay? You want to make sure you have a great first impression. Therefore, when you leave that hiring event, you're leaving there with a job offer. So that's definitely a game changer. So I hope I see you tomorrow. Again, it's going to be at BSH. It's going to be from 10 to 2. You want to be prepared for an interview, have your resume, and come on out. Now, some of you have been asking, I need some help on a resume. I don't know how to do a cover letter. Guess what? We got a resume workshop happening at the Pamlico Public Library this Friday from 4 to 6. So we're going to cover the types of resumes. We're going to cover cover letters. We're going to talk about a little bit about NCWorks and effective job search. So you want to come on out. You can register at Eventbrite, or you can give me a call at 252-514-4828 and say you want to go ahead and get registered for that resume workshop. It's going to be exciting. You're going to learn a lot, and hopefully it's going to connect you to that next career opportunity. So in summary, we talked about the weekly job board. We kind of highlighted some employers who need some great employees, which is you. We talked about the hiring event happening tomorrow at BSH from 10 to 2. You don't want to miss it. And then we talked about the resume workshop happening down at Pamlico County Friday from 4 to 6. Again, there's a lot going on. If you need any assistance or you have any questions, please give us a call at 252-514-4828. Or you can stop by and visit us, 2836 News Boulevard here in New Bern, where we'd be more than glad to assist you. So thank you. You have a great day and you stay safe. Bye.